What's up guys, I'm Adrian from adoriani.com. Today I want to show you what are the best free compressor plugins that you can use in your mixes even today. In the last episode of the Tips for You to Sound Great series, we talked about why you should stick to the plugins you already have in your digital audio workstation before buying other plugins. And just a quick recap, most of the time buying new shiny plugins ends to be just another pretext for not focusing on your mixing and mastering skills. Just to be clear here, I know there are plugins that are worth investing in. I use them all the time. However, what I am trying to do here is to save you some money and get you back to the reality of things. Why? Because I also thought that new plugins will bring my mixes to the next pro level. I know that new shiny plugins can be seen as better, and free things seems to be not so appealing for us for some reason. My advice to you, just try them, you have nothing to lose. And speaking of free things, try my free mixing course here. Watch how I mix one of my songs, download the entire session and practice your mixing. Get it now and then come back to the video. Okay, you're back. I assume you enrolled in the free course. So let's get back to the free compressor plugins that we'll talk a bit today. As I said, in the last episode we spoke about some of the best free EQ plugins out there. One of them is called Nova from Tokyo Dawn Records. While you can use it as an equalizer and even as a dynamic EQ, you can also use it as a compressor. Let me show how I use it. First, I'm bypassing the EQ bands, and I'm using it as a wide band compressor. Let's listen. You may have heard about the next compressor, which is from the same company, TDR Kotelnyk. They label it as a mastering compressor, and my advice is to try it on your masters, but also on individual tracks. You may like the result. Next free compressor in line is the one from Melda Production, called M Compressor. You can achieve great results using it. And the last but not least is the DC1A3 free compressor from Helm. I'm not sure I'm pronouncing it correctly, sorry for that. It is a very simple compressor. You can control the input and the output of the compressor, and they offer you 4 flavor options that you can choose from. Let's hear it working. That's it, guys. I hope you like this little video. Go try these plugins out in your production. If there are other free plugins that you would recommend, please mention them in the comments below. And yes, subscribe and enroll in our free mixing course. Download the free audio session and have fun mixing it your way. Give us a like and help us grow. Until next time, stay cool and make great music.